Hello and a warm welcome back to the channel of Motorbike Nonsense. This is a very quick vlog on board the new Honda Transalp. So this isn't a video about a bike, it's not a video about a ride, it is a very quick video to tell you that I'm going touring. Yay, touring! It's happening soon. It's happening at the end of this week actually. Let me turn around so I get my breath back and I'll tell you about it. How erotic. Am I going to run over an owl? I've got a full review of this Honda Transalp coming up very soon, but before that probably makes its way onto the ones and zeros of the worldwide information superhighway, I am doing my big tour that I spoke about in my previous vlog when I was on the MT10. However, my plans have again changed. In that video I said I was going to go to Wales, I was going to go with some friends, it was going to rain, and I was going to take my KTM. All of that is now a lie. I'm sorry, don't trust anything you read on the internet or hear from a bored man with a thing for porcupines, because yeah, it's just not true anymore. I am going on a tour in 5 days time on a motorbike I've not sat on yet, with luggage I've not used for 12 years, with someone who I've never gone touring on a motorbike with. I am going to France though, yay! Wales, the weather was looking crap, so I am going for a long weekend in the Vosges mountains, which is part of France where I toured last year, but I'm going to spend all of my time that I have there to bring you a guide to why I think it's one of the best biking regions in Europe, and it's not very far away. So I'm going to do a tour of the south of the Vosges area and a tour of the north of the Vosges area on a motorcycle that you didn't see coming, because I didn't see it coming either. I'm doing it on the BMW M1000R singular, the naked one, but the naked one with 207 horsepower and wings, and I'm going to try and strap luggage to it and turn it into a tourer, because that's my thing at the moment. Super Naked's what can tour. And the person I'm doing it with isn't my friend Adam with the Daytona 675, it isn't any of my other biking mates, it's in fact someone I've not been riding with for about 4 years. Hello! And it's my dad. I'm taking my dad, or my dad is coming as well, so you might get to meet Ian, my dad, ex-woodwork teacher, now retired man, and he is on a BMW R1250 RT that he owns. So yes, that's what's coming up. It's going to hopefully be a couple of videos. I'm going to do a review of the BMW while I'm out there. I'm going to be focusing a bit on my Garmin, if I can get it wired up, the XT2, because I've not really done much about that since my first impressions of it. And that's going to be it, and it's going to be my holiday. It's going to be a content holiday, but I like filming, I like editing, so that's the plan. If you've got any suggestions specifically for the northern half of the Vosges mountains, the Vosges, let me know, because I've never done much north of, say, Molsheim, where the Bugatti factory is. I've done south of that, I've been to the Bugatti factory, driven a Bugatti Clang, but I've not been north of that bit. So yes, it's going to be a holiday because I'm going to be with my dad, so undoubtedly we're going to do some Second World War, First World War stuff. I probably won't put that in the videos because it's going to be a bit dark, some of the places that I'm going to go to, but if you are interested in that, let me know in the comments, and I will include some light concentration camp content for your misery, frankly, let's be honest, and that won't be a very fun bit of the video, but I think it's quite important. Anyway, how's this doing second gear? Traction control kicking in, I need to turn that off. So yes, that is the plan. I can't wait. It's looking, touch wood, where's my penis, like it's gonna be about 30 degrees and sunny, which is way better than what Wales was offering. And yeah, gonna be on one of the fastest Super Nakeds you can buy, but obviously you can only do the speed limit, so we'll see if that's just frustrating. And also I'm maybe going to be able to take a rucksack and maybe a Krieger tank bag, so I'm going to be a bit limited in what I can take, but as usual with me, I will prioritise camera equipment over clean pants, so I'll be able to take you along for the ride and just chat to you about the joys of riding around Europe again, and I'm so excited. It's been a bit of a weight on my shoulders trying to organise a trip for lots of people, but it's basically boiled down to me being a bit selfish and be like, I'm going to France, anyone who wants to come can come. And we're going to do a little bit of Germany as well, because when you're so close to Germany, when you're within a sausage's length, it's rude not to go to Germany. So we're going to go to Trier and do some of the cool roads around Kaiserslautern again, and inevitably there'll be some Belgians with their waffles and their mayonnaise on chips, and just generally bringing the joy of motorbiking back into YouTube life. So yeah, stay tuned, do subscribe if you haven't already. Also, as I said, a review and a first ride of this bike are coming up. I've ridden this, taken it green laning, I've got a video on that coming up. Please laugh at my feeble attempts of riding it off-road. It looked very much like a rhino trying to cross an Antarctic ice shelf, because I'm rubbish at it. But anyway, I keep not doing 60s. I'm too used to riding my KTM where it just wants to do 90 all the time. Anyway, yeah, so my KTM is still for sale. Someone please buy my KTM. No one's interested at the moment. 12 grand and it is yours. I will even sign your chosen genital. Not really, don't hold me to that, you perverts. It's got 4,400 miles on it. Full KTM service history. It is a 2021 bike on a 21 plate. It's got a Touratech top box, which is the KTM one. It's got tank grips, it's got Touratech sat-nav mount up here, it's got a screen protector, it's got an anodized brake reservoir, it's got the, I've said the tech pack, heated comfort seat high, it's got heated grips, it is fully loaded and also barely used. If you've not seen me riding it much, because I'm always riding other things, so, and it's mostly lived in other manufacturers' press workshops. So yeah, give me a bell if you want to buy it. It's on eBay. Just search for 2021 KTM 1290 Super Adventure with about 4,400 miles on it, and it's 12 grand and it's yours. So take it away so I can get an MT10. Yes. Anyway, this was just a quick vlog. I'm going to go home, put the kids to bed. Hopefully you will subscribe and like this video, and also give me some tips about the Vosges Mountains. And I will probably see you in a few weeks with some content from that trip. Who bloody Ray, going on a European tour, albeit a Friday to Monday one, again just showing you how much fun you can have in a long weekend without having to go to wet Wales. And also, accommodation in Europe is half the price of Wales. I've booked Airbnbs and hotels and it's 60 quid per person per night. It's ridiculously affordable, hopefully. So yes, it's going to be another good fun budget trip, and hopefully my dad is not going to fall off his motorbike as he has done on the past 2 tours he's done. But anyway, well, that's all for the future, Tim. I'm going to say goodbye. Sorry it's been a one GoPro effort. I didn't expect to record, and I'll see you next time. I love you. I love you if you subscribe. Don't unsubscribe if you don't love me and you don't want me to love you. I'll respect your wishes, and consent is important. Right, let's go. This has got hooligan jeans like the Hornet. They're ripped.